here, and the video I have for you today is going over how to open up this master lock model number 140 in seconds without using the key. What I'd like to first demonstrate is that the key does operate the lock very smoothly, and this lock has a non-removable core, so you cannot change any of the pinning without destructively opening it up, and the core is locked up here, as you can tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize a bypass technique using this comb pick. I'll get into more detail in just a second on how a comb pick works, but I just want to show you that you can open up the lock very quickly using one. So how a comb pick works, you got to take advantage of a few different things. One, you need to have a lock that has a keyway that is wide open, like you can see this one. You need to be able to physically get the comb pick into the keyway. The next thing you need to do is have a lock that has a Bible that is tall enough to accommodate a spring, a driver pin, and a key pin, all lifted up above the shear line at the same time. And then you're going to need the appropriate comb pick that has the correct amount of prongs and the correct spacing. So this is a 4-pin comb pick, and each prong lines up with each key pin perfectly. So what you have to do is insert your comb pick and line it up with the key pins. And then you just lift straight up, and now all the key pins are above the shear line, so nothing's obstructing plug rotation, so you can just turn the lock over and it will open right up. So a comb pick is a pretty cool bypass technique, but I'm surprised it still works today. Most of master locks lineup this will not work on, and I do not know why they designed this lock so it would work. But with just a few modifications, a comb pick can be defeated easily. All they would need to do is make this keyway paracentric at all, or even just a little bit more difficult, just so you can't physically get the tool in. Also, they could make a slightly shorter Bible where you could not hold both a spring, driver pin, and key pin all at the same time. But due to these flaws in the lock, you can bypass this lock in a very unique way and get it open very quickly. This bypass method is going out to the Lockpicking Patrolman's friends. The Lockpicking Patrolman had a friend named Joey that was a paramedic that he worked with for many years. He loved to tinker and loved to be helpful to people. Unfortunately, one day he suffered from a ruptured aortic aneurysm, and he ended up passing away from this. He was a guy that would have really enjoyed lock sport if he were still alive today, especially the bypass methods, and the Lockpicking Patrolman's doing his B82 giveaway, asking people to demonstrate some of their favorite bypass techniques. What I demonstrated today is the comb pick bypass, and it works on a variety of locks, and it's a pretty cool technique, and I would like to thank you all for checking it out. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much.